Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing a Seasonic G12 series power supply. These PSUs range from 550 watts to 850 watts and come in two variations, the GC with fixed cables and GM, a semi-modular option. This one is the GC-850 and it's one of my favorite power supplies because it's affordable and offers great quality for its price. The PSU comes with a 5-year warranty. So let's cut the plastic film. The box opens from the side. When you open the box, you'll find an installation guide, which seems to be a general purpose one, used for other models, as it shows modular power supply. The PSU is covered with protective foam. You'll also find 4 mounting screws and some zip ties. The power cable may vary depending on your region, but the PSU works with wide input voltage range, and it's not a concern. The PSU is 80+ Gold certified, meaning that you can expect at least 87% efficiency. It also includes overvoltage, overcurrent, overpower and short circuit protections. Additionally, the fan adjusts the speed according to the power load, creating only a small amount of noise. The cables included are 20+4 ATX connector, 2 4+4 CPU power cables, 3 PCI Express 6+2 cables, 2 SATA cables with 3 connectors each, and a Molex connector, also with 3 connectors. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more interesting videos.